Hey everybody, I'm Greg with the Fix My Bleep channel. Thanks so much for joining me today. So I've got a 50-pound Whirlpool ice maker. So this is under counter. This is going to be really cool. I'm going to unbox it. Be sure and check the link in the description where you can find one of these items. Also like and subscribe to the channel. Let's get to the video. Let's check it out. Going to cut the bottom off. It's going to be the quickest, easiest way to take care of this. Styrofoam packing all the way around the unit. There we go. She's officially unboxed. There's the Whirlpool 50-pound ice maker for under the counter. Okay, we got the unit unboxed. I'm going to go ahead and finish taking off all the tape, get it totally unpacked here. Very well packaged for shipping. Take a look at the back of the unit. Your water line connector, your power plug. Front of the unit, they've got it packaged for shipping. Okay, so the ice maker does come with some instructions right here. We're going to take these out. This ice maker also comes in two forms. One of them comes with a drain pump, one of them does not. This is the one with the drain pump. You've got a drain hose right here. Got your instructions how to hook it up and connect it right here. And then you've got your owner's manual right here. I'm going to give you a little scoop right here. This ice maker also has a self-cleaning feature, and it's got a water filter built into it so you can get that crystal clear ice. Alright, so the cost of this Whirlpool under-counter ice maker, it's got 50-pound capacity, 25-pound holding capacity, it's got a fast mode, and it's also got a water filter and a cleaning capability. It's $18.78. There's a link in the description where you can find it. Hopefully you found this video really helpful. I'd love to hear from you if you've already got one of these ice makers or if you're thinking about buying one. Also, I've got a couple more videos on this product coming your way. I've got the installation video and then the full-on review video. I'm going to let you know how this thing does, if it's cranking out the ice, if it's not, how it compares to the old one. So be sure and like and subscribe to my channel. Check out these other videos I've got going on, and I'll catch you guys later.